the fuck you looking at, ho?
I'm here with Madeline. Hi.
Hi person. Hi person.
Danny DeVito. Okay, so I kind of moved locations. It's not the best, but you know, I'm like the budget I just deemed. But you know, so we're gonna open the sunglasses. Let's go and do this.
You know we're all crying and broke.
Okay, literally our tripod is stacked up on 2 chairs. I will show you a little B-roll clip on top of this audio. So that's what we're doing this on. And it comes in this really nice case here. And then it comes in this.
I'm gonna break it.
And this is probably like instructions.
So it comes with this little magnetic thing that no one gives a crap about. Okay. Oh, she's vibrating.
Vibrating.
Oh, she was talking.
We're at the mall and Madeline's listening to this. How do you think of the glasses? Great. So she's
improving my hearing.
So make sure to download Map of the Soul Persona by BTS and buy these glasses with these frames. Buy those frames and listen to this. Quick update. We're in Nordstrom.
Oh my god, I thought I said prostituted.
Madeline's been wearing it for the past like 45 minutes. And what are your thoughts? They're great. See, so I just got them. I haven't charged them since we left. And last time I checked it was at like 40%. But that was probably like
I'll try that like
20
30.
minutes ago. Yeah.
Put it at 30 right now.
When you first get it, the power lasts a long time, so that's a good thing.
And it goes by fast though.
Yeah. I'm trying to not talk that loud because we're literally like in the dressing room. This day has been successful. So after this, we're gonna go back and give our final thoughts and we'll end the video. So
I don't want Wikipedia.
okay, so we're back home and these glasses are finally dead. So we've been gone since 1 o'clock and I think it's almost 4 o'clock. So we've been gone for like 3 hours. And this proves that you at least have 3-hour use right when you unbox it. I'll see if I can find the full battery life per day. It'll probably be like up here or something. But yeah, would recommend. 10 out of 10. Would buy. $200 at Best Buy or Fry's near you. So thanks guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like. YouTube turned off my comments, so if you can't comment anything, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna try to fix it. And let me know if you want more content like this. I I would say comment down below, but you can't comment yet unless that changes. So if my comment section is available, comment down below what we should do next. Or what thing I should unbox next.
Her.
So yeah. Okay, bye.
TikTok.